Okay, auscultation of the heart practice class. What's your name?
Myself Aishwariya from Homa 222. Now we're gonna examine auscultation of the heart. There are totally 5 points. First is the mitral valve, which is present in the mid-clavicular line in the fifth intercostal space.
Okay.
We have to go 1.5 centimeter inside. Second is the aortic valve that is present in the second intercostal space on the right side.
Okay.
And the next one is the third one. It's a pulmonary valve which is present on the left side on the second intercostal space.
Okay.
Fourth one is a tricuspid valve which is present on the xiphoid process of the sternum. And the last one is the Bodkina-Sahib's point, which is present on the third intercostal space on the left side.
Okay. No, this next one. Yes. Okay, thank you so much.